Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to put parental controls on YouTube Kids. Just go ahead and open the app first. Once you're here, you would find your parental controls option right at the bottom. So you would see there's a lock sign. Just go ahead and tap there and make sure you enter your passcode to access it, because if you don't have a passcode, then your kids could access it too. That would be really difficult. Select settings, and now once you're here, you'll see options like set timer. So this would work if you only want your kid to watch YouTube Kids for a certain period of time. So let's say 30 minutes. Tap on start timer and the app will lock itself automatically after 30 minutes. So this is also a very useful parental control that you could have over your kids. And when you scroll down, you'll see many other options like subtitles and closed captions. So if you don't think the current text size is normal for your kid, then you could increase it. Or if you don't like the subtitle style, then you can also change it. These are some of the parental controls that you can put on your YouTube Kids. So there you go. That's how I put parental controls on YouTube Kids. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.